If you want to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 with two devices simultaneously, then first of all, you have to be sure that you connect this headphones into your first device by using Sony application. So when you do this, you will have to go into My Device in the left bottom corner, keep scrolling for Connect to two devices, tap on it, and first of all, as you can see, to use this function, we have to turn on this function from My Device settings. So we have to go into My Device settings, right here, device settings, and we have to go for System, and then tap on the switcher. So now, what we have to do is just to switch, it will actually switch the sound mode from quality mode to the stable connection. So now we have to just wait until the device turns on one more time. There we go. Now go into Connect to two devices right here. And as you can see, right now I'm connected with my Pixel 8a right here. I can also find a list of other devices. I'm gonna actually cancel this registration. So right now I'm gonna click, let's just connect them back. If you have the same issue, we just have to simply reconnect. Okay, so as you can see, there was some kind of the issue. You just have to turn on your headphones one more time. For some reason, they just turns off. So go back into connected devices, and right here, tap on the plus, and we have to open the Bluetooth settings with this second device. So I have to go into settings on this phone. I have to open settings. I have to go into Bluetooth, and just simply connect. I have to go into the pairing, and as you can see right now, I have to select the Sony WH-1000XM5. Now I have to accept the pairing request, and take a look. Right now, it will be almost finished. There we go. Now we can simply switch between both devices. And as you can see, it doesn't actually disconnect this device. It just switch the current active device. And below you can find lists of other paired devices. If you want to remove them, for sure you can do this. Take a look. That's basically how it works.